Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing a really simple but often overlooked thing: how to change the language on your Mac. Maybe you accidentally switched it, or maybe you just want to learn a new language and immerse yourself in it. Whatever the reason, we've got you covered with this easy guide. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tips and tricks on all things tech. We're always uploading new content to help you get the most out of your devices. Okay, so in this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of changing your Mac system language. We'll cover accessing system settings, or system preferences if you're on an older Mac OS, navigating to the language and region settings, adding your desired language, and finally, setting it as your primary language. It's all super straightforward, so let's get started. Screen recording starts. Go to System Settings/System Preferences. Alright, the first thing you'll need to do is open your system settings. On newer Mac OS versions, you can find this by clicking the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and selecting System Settings. If you're using an older Mac OS, it will say System Preferences. Same idea, just a slightly different name. Go ahead and click that. Navigate to Language and Region. Now, in System Settings, look for Language and Region. It might be under General, or just be listed directly in the main settings window. Click on Language and Region. Add the new language. Okay, you should now see a list of languages that are currently set up on your Mac. To add a new language, click the plus symbol button at the bottom of the Preferred Languages list. A window will pop up with a list of available languages. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the language you want to add. Select and add the language. Once you've found the language you want, select it and click Add. Choose Primary Language. Important. Now, here's the important part. After you add the language, macOS will ask you if you want to use the newly added language as your primary language. This is what determines the language of your menus, apps, and everything else on your Mac. If you want to switch to the new language completely, click Use New Language. Your Mac might ask you to restart to apply the changes. If so, go ahead and restart. If you just want to add the language but not immediately switch to it, click Keep Current Language. You can always change the order later. Reorder languages, if needed. Let's say you added a language but didn't make it the primary one. You can still easily change the order of your preferred languages. Just drag and drop them in the Preferred Languages list. The language at the top of the list will be the primary language. Show example, dragging languages. See? I'm dragging English to the top of the list. Now English is primary again. Explain app-specific language settings, optional for longer video. One more thing to keep in mind, some apps might have their own language settings that override the system language. So if you're still seeing a particular app in the wrong language, check its settings to see if you can change it there. Screen recording ends. And that's it. Super easy, right? You've now successfully changed the language on your Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.